AI job loss predictions are everywhere, but what are they missing? The reality could upend your career plans this year. Many predictions focus on the number of jobs AI will eliminate, but they miss a crucial point. AI changes the nature of work itself. Instead of simply replacing roles, AI is reshaping how tasks are done, requiring workers to adapt skills constantly. Companies like IBM and Google report that automation is less about layoffs and more about redesigning workflows, blending human insight with AI capabilities. This means job loss numbers alone don't capture the full impact on the workforce. AI tends to disrupt low and middle-skill jobs more than high-skill roles. For example, sectors like retail, customer service, and manufacturing are seeing rapid automation. McKinsey estimates that up to 30% of work hours globally could be automated by 2030, disproportionately affecting these workers. However, high-skilled jobs involving creativity or complex decision-making remain more resilient, at least for now. A common narrative says AI will generate new jobs equal to or greater than those it replaces. Yet, the data tells a different story. Unlike past technology waves, AI's rapid capabilities in cognitive tasks limit new job creation in traditional sectors. Companies such as Amazon and Microsoft are investing heavily in AI to boost efficiency, often reducing headcount rather than expanding roles. This challenges optimistic views that displaced workers will easily find new employment in AI-driven industries. Governments and corporations are investing billions in retraining programs to help workers transition. However, these efforts frequently fall short. The skills workers learn in retraining often do not align with the rapid evolution of AI technologies. For example, a 2025 survey showed only 40% of retrained workers found new roles in emerging tech fields. This gap leaves many vulnerable to long-term unemployment or underemployment. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve faster than most predictions expect. The workforce must become more adaptable, embracing lifelong learning and technological fluency. Companies like Tesla and Meta emphasize continuous upskilling and hybrid human-AI collaboration. For workers, this means staying curious, proactive, and ready to pivot careers multiple times. The future of work is less about job security and more about skill agility. AI job loss isn't just about how many jobs disappear, it's about how work changes and who gets left behind. To protect your career, stay adaptable, seek continuous learning, and understand AI's evolving role. Subscribe now for the latest insights to navigate this urgent shift.